One of the things about Acro is we're very efficient.
Our goal is to kick the cost out of your products by being efficient. We provide total manufacturing solutions for our customers.
Means you have a company that have multiple disciplines, multiple core competencies to give a customer a full band of metal forming capabilities.
Acro, we're a one-stop shop.
Our core business has been sheet metal and sheet metal fabrication for years.
We've been in business for 45 plus years.
But we've added to that welding, electro-mechanical assembly. We've added in over the last 8 years where we do laminated bonded panels.
We're a family-owned business. The longevity of the people here is 15 to 20 years plus.
The great thing about working with Acro is we have single source responsibility here. We have everything under one roof.
And we call this Acro efficiency.
At Acro Industries, we have 3 divisions, one of which is our stamping division. We go from a 30-ton press up to a 600-ton press.
We stamp anything from 10,000 thick stainless steel parts, and the large tonnage allows us to do very large components with very thick gauge material, up to a 1/4 inch thick steel.
In fact, we have a press for just about every application.
So our high-speed presses are capable of running up to 300 strokes a minute with multiple parts coming out of them.
So we cover everything you ever needed from mechanical, hydraulic, to high speed. One of our 4 core competencies is sheet metal fabrications. Whether it's a single component or overall assembly, we have the machines and the capability and the skill set to make it happen.
So we can run parts out there that many of our competitors can't run.
Press brakes, we go up to a 14-foot table, 240 tons, and we use a number of combination laser punch machines.
We can make you 1 custom part, we can make you 100 custom parts. We can turn parts around in hours, if not a few days.
And we can bend pre-finished material, which would save on your secondaries.
We have full supply chain management. We've got all integration here of manufacturing. We've got stamping, we've got custom sheet metal. We've got good suppliers that we manage that give us all the commodities that we need, wire harnesses, springs, handles, plastic components, to do full electromechanical assemblies here at Acro and ship you 1 part, not 100 parts that your line is going to put together. So lean means supply chain management to you. One of the coolest machines we have back here is our laser stamp combo machine, which allows us to stamp as well as laser cut at the same work center.
You know, in addition to laser cutting, we have live tooling in there, so we can produce all the features required to cut out the part, as well as putting different features that are required in the part, while never taking a piece of material out of the machine.
Because at Acro, we're all about efficiency. This is where all the magic happens for welding. This is about 50,000 square feet. We do flux core, we do metal core, we do aluminum welding, we do stainless steel welding.
We're AWS certified, we have AWS certified inspectors. Whether it be a small weld to a large weld, we pretty much cover the gamut.
So we can weld small assemblies, stainless steel, aluminum, and then we go all the way up to AWS required larger weldments, which is in the transportation industry.
The robotic welder, we can produce a weld quicker than having it in a fixture with an operator.
Have you ever heard this term? Maluminum. Maluminum is a type of laminate on the outside called melamine, bonded to a sheet of aluminum. This is the honeycomb core of the aluminum laminated panel. A specific kind of adhesive is used, pressed together in our heat press. It gives you stability, rigidity. It's strong material and still being lightweight.
We don't just make panels, we make the final assembly of a panel that has extrusions in it, has inserts in it, could have a door in it.
We actually build much of the interior car for subways.
Regardless if you're in the sheet metal, stampings, or laminate panels, you can have the machines out on your floor, but you gotta have the people. Without the skill set to make those machines run, you'll never get anywhere.
You know, people are happy here. You know, we come to work, we say good morning to each other, we work as a team. Definitely translates to the quality of product, yep.
That was another great video by one of our part gurus, America's greatest contract manufacturers. You could support us.
Hit the like button, give a comment, we'll make more of these because we're here to help American manufacturing get stronger. help us out.
By smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, sharing the video, or leaving a comment. This allows us to travel the country and make more of these great videos of America's best contract manufacturers. Thanks for watching.